little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's practice is full of playful moves and calm breaths to make you feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Sitting cross-legged with an upright spine, resting the hands on the knees with thumbs and index fingers touching to encourage focus and grounding. One hand on the floor beside you and lift the other arm up and over your head. Stretch to the side like you're reaching for a rainbow. Switch sides and feel the stretch on both sides of your body. Sides. Sit with your legs stretched out in front. Reach your arms up, then fold forward gently over your legs. Try to relax your head and shoulders. No need to touch your toes. Squatting low on one leg while extending the other straight to the side, keeping the chest lifted and hands pressed together at the heart center. Switch sides. Lunging with the back knee resting on the floor and the front knee bent while reaching both arms straight up to lengthen the spine. Switch sides. Balancing on one leg while placing the sole of the other foot against the inner thigh and raising the arms with palms pressed together overhead. hug your knees toward your chest. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, and breathe slowly to release tension in your lower back. Chest, press hips forward and reach hands to heels. Open heart, lengthen spine, and breathe deeply. Big toes together and sit back on your heels. Rest your forehead on the mat and let your arms relax. Feel safe and peaceful like a resting child. Comfortably with your legs crossed and your hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment and take a slow, deep breath in and out. Feel calm and ready to begin. Squat low with feet wide. Bring palms together at the chest and use elbows to open the knees. Keep spine long and breathe deeply. Lie on your back, bend knees, feet hip width. Lift hips, press into feet and arms, opening chest. Hold and breathe deeply.
Fantastic job, little yogis. You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends!